Buju, wago shindagu migizi indodem, gazaga squaji mekag, indun jaba. Today I'd like to clarify a couple of misunderstandings about the common ways to say I love you in Ojibwe. We actually have a couple of different words for love in Ojibwe, and where in English you have one word, love, that can mean many different things. Love between parents and children, love between romantic partners, love of a certain kind of food. In Ojibwe, we actually have different words for these kinds of things. And if I said, I love you in Ojibwe, you have a couple of choices. And here are the most common that I'd like to clarify. So to say that I love you in the broadest sense of the word, we would simply say Gishawenamin. And Jawenim in Ojibwe usually goes into a dictionary as love, bless, or pity. And it sounds weird to have those three different labels, which usually in English give us different ideas about what the word means, attached to one word. But the reason is simply this. Jawenim actually means to empathize with someone. So Gishawenamin is kind of like saying, I feel you. And so, for example, if you're doing a prayer and you used a command form, Jawenemishin, which you could translate as love me, you're saying like, have pity on me would be a more common translation of that in that context, but you're really saying empathize with me, feel me, hear my prayer. And if you used it, you could use that one with a romantic partner, Gishawenamin, like I feel you, but you could use it with your kid too, Gishawenamin, I feel you. And that's probably an easier way to think of the meaning behind Jawenim as a word, or Gishawenamin, I love you. And the other common one that we have, Gagin, is usually used with some kind of possessive love. And that doesn't just mean like jealous lover or something like that, but when someone is yours, your kid, your parent, your boyfriend or girlfriend, or what have you. So Gagin implies some sort of, possessive type relationship. So Gagin, you would use, I love you, my son, Gagin, my mom, Gagin, my spouse or partner. Gishawenamin, I feel you or I empathize with you, and Gagin, like you're mine, that kind of love. Miigwech. Thanks for watching today. I'm Anton Treuer. Let's keep in touch. I'm active on social media, and my website has lots of information on my books, speaking engagements, resources for the Ojibwe language, teachers, and more. Miigwech.